Here's the Quick Sticks Full Face Kit. This is a 6-piece kit that works for a full face. No brushes needed. Now everyone loves to use sticks for a simple reason. They're quick and they're easy to use. I'm first going in with my Plush pen. This product can be used as a foundation and a concealer, which is how I'm using it today, dotting it in the areas of my face where I want coverage. Now this is a buildable formula, so depending on how much you apply, you can get full payoff while still looking natural. Now I'm gonna do some blush with my Shimmer Shape and Glow Stick in Oh So Rosy. I'm taking the stick and directly applying it on the apples of my cheeks while swiping it upwards into my temples, blending it with my fingers to make sure it's melted beautifully into the skin. I'm moving on to the eyes now with my Evercolor Shadow Stick in Beachy Bronze. Now this is the perfect golden shade for an all-over eye look. And all you have to do is apply the stick right onto the lids and blend out the edges with your finger. Once that's done, I'm gonna take my Evercolor Starlight eyeliner in Milk Chocolate and glide it along the lash line to complete the look. The last step for the eyes is applying a couple of coats of Open Up Mascara to give the lashes a little drama and volume. You know I love finishing off a full face with lip gloss, and today it's the Positively Plump Gloss in Pumped Up Pink. It's a sheer pink that gives you a perfect shine to the lips. And there you have it, a full face that took only minutes. I love this kit because it takes the guesswork out of what products to use for a super quick and streamlined routine.
I love you like la la.